Nasty son.
Video mo na yata. Video na, te.
Oh. Mamang. Dahigda. Pusing-pusing.
Ate Memen.
Okay lang.
This video is
Kuya Don.
Okay,
for
bye-bye.
Kuya
Love you.
Lyle. Because Kuya Lyle wants to see me sleeping on top of you, hugging you.
English, gusto mo na.
Si Judy is having nosebleed at the moment. Guys, she can't understand what I am saying.
Sunggo na ka.
Dito. Dili kang
Papang.
Papang.
Nawala na number?
Pang love
Napa na
you.
kayo.
Love you, Pang. Magapa kay pusing.
Mamang. Pusing-pusing pa.
Ang tiyan pag yun.
Ate Memen, I miss you so much.
Hello, Pang. Love you, Pang.
Papang.
Marian.
Gapo kay bulak si Papang, oh.
Hindi ko, Marian. Hello, Marian. Kiss mo yung iPhone.
Marian.
Hilo na datit na.
Yang.
Mahilo na
Hilo
datit
rin
na.
na mo. Sigligid-ligid.
Ha? Asa?
Pusing yapon
Ay,
mama.
naakay ano.
Ako kay tiyan. Bel.
Hello, Yang. Uba na lang dito, Yang. Ngayon lang ka nang alanganin og larga, oy. Larga na, Yang.
Let's go na
Kay gwapo kayo dito, Yang. Kung sa imong lolo. Kung sa impyerno imong lolo, ayaw uban. Uban lang sa langit.
Dili kay Mang, reader ba yato ni Papang silang
Ay,
duha?
makanta ba ito siya salmo.
Wala man to ni Papa.
Kuya gyud to siya kay.
Tiniwi ka tigitara.
Pare na betos Papa og suot.
Since to Papa.
Ikaw pang ma. Mano. Malangit unta ka pang. Ingon bitaw ko sa imo, ayaw sige dali-dali na, nagali na inon kag kamatay. Sige ang kagdali.
Jode.
Wala naman siguro na yung number.
1946.
Ano ni? Langi, padriling.
Dito sa gawas ka sa mapuno yung manggudak nga. Bibi ako na po dana.
Lipong tanaw ana ron.
Uy, nagpagwapa man hinoon na dili mo ng minteryo may itong ikudakan. Dili man ikaw. Nagsige pa mig panday. Why human-human?
English mang.
Maybe next year this will be a beautiful building already. Lyle, have you seen this picture? I am the one taking it. This is for you. That's Grace.
Istorya na yun.
Hello, Lyle.
My son.
My son. Charmin is there. Don't worry, we will care for her because you are there. We miss you, Lyle. That's all. I don't want to have a nosebleed.
Last bless already.
I am nosebleeding already now. Charge tayo ninyo ni ha.
Charge. 3 minutes na good.
Hindi sa dugay lagi.
Kasi wala ni nagpapak.
Ha, basta na yung number niya, mang.
Gawin ko dito kay Maria. Bulak. Lain ng ganyan ka. Ano sa one.
Hello.
Say hello. Hello to everyone. Lyle, this is your Charming. This is your Papang. And this is your niece, Marian.
And this is Jason Pogi.
And this is Jason Pogi, according to him. He loves his own.
Doon lang yan ano, lapid ma.
Kuya Don. Balik na yung lighter.
I know she is very happy because she got your family name already. She is already Mrs. Kolnick.
That's bleeding.
I am now not bleeding. Don't worry. I can wipe it with towels.
nag-record, ma'am.
I don't know.
Wala na yung number?
Wala na.
Wala yung number dapat.
Oh, na. 10:05.
Pila ka minutes?
005.15. Naro.
Oh, mo na, ga-record pa na. 5 minutes.
Next year we will make it like that. Today we are making a bahay kubo.
Dari, ikuha ninyo tita na lote.
Tara.
Ay, kana. Sabihan.
Dugay lagi siya na hurot na. At dili karong alas 8 sa gabi eh.
Okay, may ka 40
Oh.
tita na.
Tonight they will be going up to heaven at 8 o'clock. Min, this is your sunglass. Yara de. Mali de ito. Min, this is your sunglass. I will borrow, ha?
Mantin.
Papang, we changed the father name of Charming. Maybe she's not very happy. It's already Mrs. Colme. I know
Libil na ni Kai.
you like it.
Libil na siya.
Yes, I like it too.
Libil na
Pantay pa ninyo.
Marian. Go Canada lang. Don't worry, God is with you. Jesus will accept you in heaven. Just ask God to help you.
Ewa ba dito na puno kay? Eh, diri Austin.
Dugay lagi na siya nahurot, no?
Wala na ba day?
Nga pa.
Ba daw?
Pila ka minutes?
Ako na po. Ako na po.
Humana.
Sige na lang po. Ako na po. Ang ilong.
Ay, imong shades, mag-ilog dito na tabunan na.
Say something to Lyle.
Lyle, we are here now. Can you hear us? As if nothing happens.
Yeah.
As in,
English pa ka.
Pusing pa.
Ingog mo ayan.
asa ni kanin? Ay,
Isip na son kayo niyang alas 2 na punson.
oh, ba't na naka-charge?
I-charge sa
When are you coming here?
English.
Sumbo na.
Hello, Lyle. We will pray at 2 o'clock this afternoon.
We will
have
come
a
back
Bible.
later.
We will have a Bible service.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.